Hello students. The topic for the day is the shoot system. I hope you have watched our previous video where we discussed about the roots. Taproot, what are fibrous roots, and in this video we would be discussing about the shoot system, that is what the shoot consists of. I'm Sakshi Mathur, your science teacher. So let's start the video. So, we need to understand first what is the shoot part. We all are aware that a plant is present above the ground and below the ground also. The plant parts are divided into two parts, that is the part which is above the ground, that is above the soil, is called as the shoot system, and the part which is below the ground, that is called as the root system. So, in the shoot system, it includes leaves, stem, flowers and fruits. The part which is above the soil is called as the shoot system, which basically consists of different leaves, stem of a plant, the fruit of a plant and the flower of a plant. We will discuss each one of them separately with examples and pictures. So the first thing that appears from the soil that grows against the gravity is called as the stem. There are different kinds of stem present in nature. You might have seen some plants have thick stem, some plants have a green stem, some plants have very fragile stem. So what is stem and what is the role of stem? We need to understand that. It is the most important part of the plant because it holds different things. Different things like it holds the leaves, it holds the fruits, it holds the plant in an upright position. And different plants have different types of stems. Now, stems are categorized into different types. First category is the herbs. What are herbs? Herbs are soft green stems that are very fragile. They don't grow too long. They grow at a minimum certain height, and if you touch the stem of these plants, you will find that they are very fragile and very weak. Very soft green stems, and they are of green in color. Example, mint and coriander. Mint is dhania and coriander is pudina. If you touch the stems of these plants, you would find that they are very soft and weak in structures. Next category of stem we have in nature is the creepers. Creepers, as the name itself suggests, that they cannot carry the weight of the leaves also. If we compare herbs with the creepers, herbs can actually stand against the gravity for a certain height, but creepers, they grow along the ground, they grow on the ground. Example, you can see pumpkin and watermelon are the example of creepers. They grow on the ground, and their stems just create a network on the ground because they cannot stand and hold the weight of the leaves also, or the flowers or the fruit. Third category of stem is climbers. Climbers, as the name itself suggests, that these plants are not so strong, but if you tie them with a support, they can grow and climb easily up to a certain height. Example, we all have seen in our houses money plant, or you can see grapevine or peas are the examples of the climbers. They have thick stem, not as compared to creepers and herbs, but they cannot grow against the gravity. So if you want that these type of plants should grow and give you a certain height, you have to tie them and give them a support, and then they climb easily. That is why they are called as climbers. Example, grapevine, pea plant and money plant. Next category of the stems Next category of stem is the trunks. Trunks are seen normally in hard and woody stems. Big trees like mango, banyan, neem, ashok, they all have thick woody stems and that are called as in science as trunks. Next category and the last category of stem is the underground stem. Underground stem means that some stems grow below the soil also. Yes, this is an exception case. The stems always generally grow above the soil, but one category of stem grows inside the soil like potato, ginger and turmeric. They all are the examples of the underground stem. Now we have learned about the 5 categories of the stems, that is herbs, creepers, climbers, trunks and underground stem. So this was about the stem part of the shoot system. Let's move to the next category of the shoots. Functions of stem. What is a function? What is the role of stem in a plant? As already stated, it bears. Bears means it contains branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. It keeps the plant in an upright position. Exceptions are always there like climbers and creepers. It carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves or to the different parts of the plant, and it carries the food which is made by the leaves to all parts of the plant. Some stems also store food, example sugarcane and potato. The next category of shoot system, apart from the stem, then comes the leaves. Leaves, as we all know, are the food factory of plant, and the major process of preparing the food is carried out by leaves only. They are green flat structures attached to the stem or branches. Leaves are generally green in color because of a pigment called chlorophyll, which helps them to make their own food and gives the green color also to the leaves. And leaves of a plant are different in sizes and shapes. So what is the role of leaves? The first role is that it prepares food for the plants. It is the food factory of the plant, that is through a process called photosynthesis, intake of carbon dioxide and exchange, it gives out oxygen for the survival. Then leaves also helps in transpiration. They have few openings on the underside of the leaf called as stomata. And last is some leaves are used as food also, example spinach, lettuce and cabbage. So all these are the functions of the leaves. Thank you. I hope you have understood the shoot system topic. Flower is being depicted in another video. Kindly watch that video first. I will give the link of the flower and the pollination video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.